In this leg of the journey, we travel via the beautiful beaches of Cape Le Grand National Park near Esperance to the amazing views of Fitzgerald River National Park near Hopetown, a distance of about 550 kilometers. Cape Le Grand has 4 beautiful bays and beaches enclosed by rock formations. These are Lucky Bay, Thistle Cove, Hellfire Bay, and Little Hellfire Bay, known for their bright white sands and turquoise-colored waters. The name Lucky Bay was given by the famous sailor Matthew Flinders because of the critical circumstances under which he discovered this area. There was no danger to be apprehended for his ship. The next white sand beauty is Thistle Cove. If you're planning a wonderful 1 to 4 weeks holiday in Western Australia and like to visit a lot of national parks, it is recommended to buy a holiday park pass before you head off to save yourself time and money. Park passes cover the cost of entry into parks that require an entry fee. You pay per vehicles, print your pass out, and display in your car window. Fitzgerald River National Park is one of the quieter parks, but with lots to do both on land and in water. Enjoy swimming, snorkeling, kayaking, surfing, and fishing in the beautiful bays and inlets. Here you see Culham Inlet and Culham Beach.